Friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our fourth question in first exercise, similar triangles. So what is our question here? The question is a line drawn from one side of triangle, that line drawn from midpoint of one side of triangle, which is parallel to the other side. The line drawn DE is drawn here from the midpoint of AB line, which is parallel to the BC, which is parallel to the line BC, which will going to bisect the other side, bisect the third side. Bisecting means a line which is bisecting other line means the line which is going to divide the other line into two equal parts. So that is the bisecting thing. So DE is bisecting the AC. That is the case here. We have to prove here. So what is the conditions? What are the given conditions? Let's go into write it. So here the given conditions are, so DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. Both are parallel. And D is the midpoint of AB. So what you can write? D is the midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB. That means AD will be equal to, what is that? DB. AD will be equal to DB. So that is the given conditions. And what is the required to prove? RTP. What is the required to prove here is DE is bisecting the line. DE is bisecting the AC. DE is bisecting the AC. That is the required to prove. We have to prove that one. That means AE will be equal to EC. AE will be equal to EC. So this is the condition. Now what is the thing here is proof. So what is the proof? Proof is what you can say here by using of basic proportionality theorem, that is Thales theorem. So by using of Thales theorem, that is basic proportionality theorem. You can say basic proportionality theorem, BPT also. We can say like that also. That means any line drawn from the midpoint or any line drawn from the other side of triangle which is parallel to the next side, which is parallel to any side, it will going to divide that two equal ratios. So that is the case here. Two equal ratios. The two sides will going to divide with the two equal ratios. So that is DE is parallel to BC. That means by using of this, what you can say here is AD by DB will be equal to AE by EC. So this DE is parallel to the BC. For that, this line is divides this AB and AC into two equal ratios. So this is the condition what we have to write it from the Thales theorem. Now AD will be equal to DB. From the given question, AD is equals to DB. AD is equals to DB. That means AD by DB plus AB. You can write it AE by EC. AE by EC. So AD will going to cancel. That means AE by EC will be equal to 1. AE by EC will be equal to 1. That means AE will be equal to EC. AE will be equal to EC. That is the required to prove. What you can write? Hence proved. So from this we can conclude that any line which is drawn from the midpoint of any side from the triangle which is parallel to the next side, which will going to bisecting the other third side, So this is the condition. This is the way of explanation. If you like the video, please like it. Try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.